everyone, today we'll be showing you how to install your own wall mural either at home or at work. And we'll be using Greg's office here at Murals Your Way as the testing ground. So Greg, tell us why you chose this mural.
Well, I love nature and the outdoors, and so I thought this mural, which is a scene in the mountains, has great energy and color, and so I thought it would look fabulous on this wall.
I love this image, and it's fitting that we're using our EcoBella, which is our eco-friendly material for this installation. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, I messed that up.
How do you mess that up?
I was like...
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah, let's go.
In addition to your mural, you'll need just a few items. Wall preparation is key to getting great results. All hanging surfaces must be clean, smooth, dry, and undamaged. Make sure that imperfections are sanded and sealed. Loose paint or other wall coverings must be removed to ensure good adhesion. For a successful hanging job, it is important that your wall covering be hung straight. Mark a vertical line on your wall to line up the first panel. Apply an even coat of adhesive to the entire back side of the material using a roller. Work the adhesive in to cover the back completely, especially near the edges. Then, fold each end toward the middle, pasted sides together, aligning the edges carefully so they don't dry out. This is called booking. Let it relax for 10 minutes. This will allow the adhesive to penetrate the wall covering, ensure a firm bond, as well as prevent your seams from separating. Now it's time to place the panel along your guideline. Unfold the top portion of your booked panel, pressing the upper portion against the wall, ensuring that it's straight with your guideline. Leave up to 1 inch of material along each of your edges, which we'll trim in the next step. Unfold the remainder of the panel and smooth down, making sure the panel is aligned with your vertical guideline. When the panel is positioned correctly, sweep your smoothing tool across the panel from the center out, eliminating air bubbles. After pasted and booked, overlap the second panel over the first panel by approximately 2 inches, matching up the image. Apply any additional panels in the same method. Carefully smooth out all bubbles as you go. Remove excess paste with warm water and a sponge. Dry with a clean, soft cloth. Murals are printed with a 2-inch overlap, which can be double cut. Place your straight edge vertically in the center of the overlap and carefully cut through both layers of material using a utility knife with a fresh blade. Make long cuts without lifting the blade. Peel away the outer layer of excess material. Next, peel back the overlap and remove the remaining excess material on the wall. Smooth the panels back together so the edges join. Trim any material around the ceiling, baseboard, and corners. Don't forget to change your blade often for a clean cut every time. The last step is to clean off any paste residue with warm water and a sponge. Dry with a clean, soft cloth. Wow. So what do you think?
I think it's great. I feel like we're right in this stream. This is so awesome, and Mount Rainier is right there. It's great. It feels very peaceful.
Good work.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks.